The major developments today with the Botswana Defence Force is that we've acquired the PC-7 Mark II aircraft, and we are also acquiring a simulator for the Mark II aircraft. What's not working for us right now is we're having an attrition rate from the initial stages of 33%. And we've been talking to Pilatus, also the Korean Air Force, and they've helped us in trying to establish ground-based training systems. And we are yet to see how much these are going to help us. We've just started. We are going to observe this for the next 2 years and see how it's going to help us. Not at all. It's not being done efficiently at the moment. Like I've previously said, we are going to see what's going to be happening with what we've been advised by our Korean counterparts, and as well as the Swiss Air Force and Pilatus Aircraft Limited. Our existing training plan now is that we are working with the Zambian Air Force, the South African Air Force as a joint team. And this exchange is really helping us, to sort of try to standardize our training in Botswana. Yes, we're looking at, currently we're looking at maybe coming from 100% on the aircraft to going towards the 50-50% as it has been discussed here. Yes, we have issues with pilot retention. We have a national airliner. What they do is, after we've trained our pilots to CPL level, they take them away from us. And currently we are losing quite a number of pilots to the airliner because of the incentives that this airliner is giving the pilots. The government, in conjunction with the AAM, we don't have an Air Force as yet. We operate as an AAM. They are trying now to improve the incentives in terms of pay, allowances, so that they match those from our current airline in Botswana. Well, I'm not really sure if that's going to work because currently I think our air arm within the country, we have the most experienced pilots. So we are not actually looking at getting any pilots from our civilian counterparts to come and help us, because we believe that the air arm itself has more experienced pilots than our civilian counterparts. We've seen a lot of things that we were not aware of, sharing with other air forces. They've helped us a lot in trying to, improve our training, reduce our attrition rate, the washout, and it's been very helpful to us as a team from Botswana.